This is my Monstera plant. I had planted 3 cuttings in the month of January 5 months ago. All 3 cuttings started developing roots along with new leaves/shoots. As you can see, this one cutting has started growing roots from upper side. So let us propagate it from cutting and replant it in another pot. It has grown roots from above portion, so it gets easier to cut it just 1 inch below it, and our cutting will be ready for plantation. It is so easy to propagate Monstera plant and grow them from cuttings. No special rooting hormone or chemical is needed. So let us begin. Take some gardening cutting tools like scissors or a trimmer. Cut just 1 inch below and be careful while cutting and make sure roots are not harmed while cutting. So our Monstera cutting is ready for plantation. You can see the long grown roots here. I have taken a small white planter box filled with garden soil. Just dig a hole with help of a stick or a used waste pen. I am digging a hole. I will be removing the soil. The soil is sticky, which is good for Monstera plant. Gently grab our cutting and plant it. Cover its roots the soil. Make sure to be gentle and avoid root damage. You can also take help of a friend while planting it. So finally the plant is ready. Just take a look at it, looks so beautiful. Keep it in your balcony or in window, or you can also use hanging planter. Thank you for watching, make sure to subscribe.